everybody, and welcome to Curious Tech Life. I'm Rodney Garcia. Thank you for joining me today. Now, I know a lot of you are wondering, what happened to Curious Tech Life? Your last post was 2020 and it's already 2021. Actually, it's the third month of the first quarter 2021. Well, maybe some of you are wondering where we went. We took a little break. In the beginning of 2021, there were just certain things that we needed to focus on and needed attention to. So we kind of put the channel a little bit on hold. But not just that, we also stepped back a little bit and looked at the channel in a much bigger perspective. We wanted to make sure that the channel is not just going to come out with videos for the sake of doing videos. We want to make sure that this channel means something to you. We want to add value, we want to add purpose, and we want to add meaning. We're not just here churning out videos just for the sake of it. We want to make sure that every time you watch our videos, that not only are you enjoying, not only are you informed, not only are you entertained, but it does bring value to your life. And that's why we paused a little bit, take a step back, check. How can we improve the channel? How can we make things better? How can we make sure that our content means to our audience? Yes, that's you. So in Curious Tech Life, what you're going to be seeing is major improvement. And when I say major improvements, we're not saying that we're going to have a big studio or sophisticated things or something like that. Well, in fact, you're going to be seeing some aesthetic changes. I've got some backgrounds and some lights already. To mention, the quality of the video is also upgraded. But more than that, we're looking at the content, the meaning, the purpose of every video. Not only will you be seeing tech reviews in this channel of technologies and new products and even services that will increase your life, make you more productive in what you do, but we also want to come up with videos that will help you in a practical sense. Things like work from home. What are the softwares that we believe that you can use to make you more productive? Maybe school at home. What are the products that we believe can really help you bring up the antes when it comes to schoolwork, whether it's on cam or off cam? Or maybe certain things that you may want to learn for your everyday life, maybe like for Zoom purposes or technology that can make life better. Or maybe you want to learn certain things and you don't know where to start. The list goes on and on. And that's why here at Curious Tech Life, we are bringing greater things this 2021. We also want to thank everyone who have subscribed to the channel, even if we only have a few videos. We are encouraged because it's as if telling us, we love your videos and we want to subscribe and we want more of what you guys are doing, and you're doing a great job. We want to appreciate you. We also want to appreciate all of the people who are putting comments in the comment section. And if you notice, we do respond to each and every one of them. We don't have bots. We don't have people that will just copy and paste stuff, but we do read them and respond to them and have a conversation with you. Speaking of conversations, hopefully in the very near future, the community feature of, I'm supposed to say feature. And speaking of comments, do that one more time. And speaking of comments, perhaps in the near future, there's a feature on YouTube in our channel that is called the community. And we're hoping that one day that will open up. And that's where we can have conversations, not just you and I, but the community here at Curious Tech Life. But you know, there are certain features that are still not available in our channel. Why? Simply because we have not reached yet the minimum requirements of YouTube. What are these requirements? Number one, we need to have at least 1,000 subscribers. 1,000. At the shoot of this video, we are almost in our 600 mark. Now, not just that, we also need 4,000 watch hours. 4,000 watch hours. That's a lot of hours. Maybe you've spent a lot of hours on Netflix or watching stuff, binge watching, whatever. But I'm sure you've watched at least 4,000 hours specifically during 2020. Well, those are, as far as I know, those are the two things that we need to reach. 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. And that is where you come in. I'd like to personally ask you, can you help us reach our goals? We are a community here. We are a family here, and we're doing our best to lift each other up. And a rising tide lifts all boats. That's why I'd like to ask for your help, and I won't be afraid to ask. Here's what I need from you. Number one, let's help each other in bringing our Curious Tech Life channel to 1,000 subscribers at least. How do we do that? Well, just tell your friends about our campaign. Tell your friends that we need help. So share our channel and let them know and say, hey, do you have a YouTube account? Please subscribe. We need all the help we can get. And number two, for our watch hours, just continue watching our videos. Of course, on our end, we will need to produce more and more content. And as we produce more content, we get more watch hours. But if you want to help us out, even if we haven't rolled out a lot of content, maybe you can watch the videos over and over. I don't know. Or maybe just watch our content again. You may learn something new second time, third time, fourth time around. And of course, your comments are important. You may want to also hit that thumbs up like button, because that's going to tell YouTube that you like our videos, and it's going to help other people see us too. Now, speaking of help, another way that you can help us with is you share our videos on your wall, on Twitter or Facebook. Tell people about us. And maybe there are videos in our current library you think can help out other people. A share is greatly, greatly appreciated. Well, for now, that's what is happening with Curious Tech Life. Expect greater things, expect better things, because we want to make sure that this channel is going to give more value. I'm very excited for 2021. I know 2020 has been hard for all of us. All of us have gone through so much this past year. But considering the circumstances, we now have the power and the choice to make things better in 2021, even if there are limitations. Limitations are not just there to stop us. Actually, they are there so that we can see and harness the greater potential that we have. It's time to be creative. I've always believed that even if there are limitations in life, we can overcome. And not just that, we can practice our creativity and make great things happen even on something that's limited. And you're going to see that. Now, we do want to hear from you. Let us know, what are the things that you want to see in this channel? Maybe that's something that we can do. Why not just put them all on the comment section below? And if you see value in this video, click the thumbs up. And if this is your first time to see us, maybe you want to subscribe so that we can give you more updates. Again, thank you so much for joining me today. This is Rodney Garcia here at Curious Tech Life, saying stay tech curious. I'll see you around.